So get up, stand up for freedom, stand up against the extremist left, stand up for our borders and our sovereignty, stand up against corruption, stand up for transparency, stand up for our children, stand up for life, stand up for the rule of law, stand up for free speech and your other God-given rights, stand up for the Constitution and the American Revolution for liberty it represents.
Thank you for coming by. This is American Project. Please be sure to like and subscribe so we can reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers soon. Judicial Watch settles their lawsuit that uncovered Hillary Clinton's unsecure emails. Judicial Watch settled their historic 2014 Freedom of Information Act lawsuit that sought the emails of then Secretary of State Hillary Clinton regarding the Benghazi attack. That particular suit led directly to the disclosure of Clinton's use of a non-government email server to conduct government business. Judicial Watch versus the U.S. Department of State. The settlement commits the State Department to a payment to them of $97,000. This lawsuit about the Benghazi scandal forced the Obama administration to admit to Hillary Clinton's hidden, classified, and other government emails in 2015. They uncovered the talking points created by the Obama White House and other documents showing that statements about the attack made on the eve of the 2012 elections by then National Secretary Advisor Susan Rice were false. On December 6, 2018, U.S. District Court Judge Royce Lamberth ordered Obama administration senior State Department officials, lawyers, and Clinton aides, as well as Susan Rice, to be deposed or answer written questions under oath. Judge Lamberth called the Clinton email system, quote, one of the gravest modern offenses to government transparency, unquote. On March 2, 2020, U.S. District Court Judge Royce Lamberth authorized Judicial Watch to depose Clinton about her emails and the existence of relevant Benghazi attack documents. The court also ordered the deposition of Clinton's former chief of staff, Cheryl Mills, and two other State Department officials. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, in an extraordinary intervention, exempted Clinton and Mills from testifying under oath. The Clinton email scandal uncovered by the simple FOIA lawsuit changed the course of American history and led to Hillary Clinton's defeat in 2016. Judicial Watch's historic lawsuit is now officially over and settled through a remarkable payment of $97,000 by the corrupt State Department. Hillary Clinton ignored the law but received special protection from both the courts and law enforcement. For countless Americans, this double standard of justice destroyed their confidence in the fair administration of justice. Americans would never have known about Hillary Clinton's classified email and related pay-for-play criminality, but for Judicial Watch's due diligence. The lawsuit exposed several key aspects about the scope of the Clinton email scandal and cover-up. John Hackett, former Director of Information Programs and Services, testified under oath that he had raised concerns that former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton's staff may have culled out 30,000 of the Secretary's personal emails without following strict National Archives standards. He also revealed that he believed there was interference with the formal FOIA review process related to the classification of Clinton's Benghazi-related emails. Heather Samuelson, Clinton's White House liaison at the State Department, later Clinton's personal lawyer, admitted under oath that she was granted immunity by the Department of Justice in June of 2016. Justin Cooper, former aide to President Bill Clinton and Clinton Foundation employee who registered the domain name of the unsecure ClintonMail.com server that Clinton used while serving as Secretary of State, testified he worked with Huma Abedin, Clinton's deputy chief of staff, to create the non-government email system. In the interrogatory responses of EW, Bill Priestap, assistant director of the FBI Counterintelligence Division, he stated that the agency found Clinton email records in the Obama White House, specifically the executive office of the president. Jacob Jake Sullivan, Clinton's senior advisor and deputy chief of staff when she was Secretary of State, testified that both he and Clinton used her unsecure non-government email system to conduct official State Department business. Eric Boswell, former Assistant Secretary of State for Diplomatic Security during Clinton's tenure as Secretary of State, testified that Clinton was warned twice against using unsecure BlackBerries and personal emails to transmit classified material. And that's what you get when you stay after something, stay on top of it, and dig for the truth. Thanks to Judicial Watch for their due diligence. And there you have it. Thanks for coming by. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and have a great day. God bless.